before, Allosaurus was one of the first Jurassic theropods, and they have a exact replica of it. They have an exact skeleton like this in Wyoming. They call him Big Al. One of the best Allosaurs. One of the best Allosaurs in my life, and one of my favorites as well. I have the DVD of him, and hopefully when I go to Wyoming, I can possibly get the autograph for this guy. Now then, shall we move on? Those are Dilophosaurus skulls. And I think that's a Ceratosaur one. Yeah, definitely. Anyways, back to the Plateosaurus. Can I mention that these guys were the first of its kind when it first appeared? It took millions of years of it to evolve into the sauropods that we see today. I consider Plateosaurus as one of the first ever and one of my favorite sauropods. What a treat. Giants such as Longus and Amargasaurus, I consider them to be one of the best. Thank you, Jurassic Park. Okay.
I'm going to try to convince Dad to go to that dumpling shop on 32nd Street. Looking for the owner.
Oh my God! Look, this is a popular Oviraptor skeleton, as seen in Dinosaurs Alive. Whoa! As you have noticed in the past couple of days, behind those doors is a new exhibition that comes every year. But since there isn't any new exhibitions coming out, they are in the process of excavating and creating new ideas. See? There's, this is what it looks like without the, lights or anything else.
Nothing great. Well, look at this sweatshirt, buddy.